Bernie, Texas is located just 20 miles north of San Antonio. Surrounded by the natural beauty of the Texas Hill Country, Bernie offers a variety of activities for you and your family. Enjoy the outdoors while sightseeing in one of Bernie's many parks. This beautiful hill country town is where country meets relaxation.
Hi, I'm Steve Zesserman.
And I'm Crystal Warnock, and we're here with Option 1 Real Estate. We'd like to welcome you to the Scott Felder Homes at Esperanza.
Esperanza is located in Bernie, Texas. We are roughly about 10 miles from San Antonio, 1604 area, and we are 10 minutes from Bernie Main Street. Hi, I'm Katrina Lindau. I'm with Scott Felder Homes here in Esperanza, Bernie, Texas. Scott Felder is a locally owned business here in Texas, 16-time Builder of the Year, and we are located in Esperanza, Bernie. We've been here roughly about 4 years. Esperanza itself is master plan community. Currently, we have about 10 homes that are our inventory homes, and we can also build from the ground up. We start roughly in the price range at $450 and up, and then we can range anywhere from 2,000 square feet all the way up to 4,000 square feet. Well, I hope you loved what you've seen today. We can't wait for you to come to the event, and I also can't wait to show you what makes Scott Felder different from all the rest.
Coming out this weekend at Esperanza to tour some of these lovely homes built by Scott Felder.
We're going to be having an amazing barbecue, food, we're having music.
And we're also going to be handing out copies of the best-selling book, How to Buy or Sell a Home Without Getting Screwed by our broker at Option 1, Jason Campbell.
So please, come on out. We'd love to see you.